Hey, and welcome to Natural Mobility. As many of you know, one of the modalities that I practice is called MovNat Natural Movement. And not only do I post videos on this channel, but I also post the occasional tutorials on the official MovNat channel. And I just released a video tutorial about the movement of stepping under or stepping through a horizontal or vertical obstacle. This tutorial describes the basic technique of the skill along with some progressions and variations that can help you with your practice. We also look at some of the common inefficiencies that most people get into when they first start practicing. This is a great skill not only for practical application in daily life, but also as a mobility exercise because you're actually squatting down, bending the knee, hinging the hip, keeping your spine straight, keeping your head upright, and then using your spatial awareness to know where the obstacle is without looking at it. So there's a lot to unpack there. If you want to have a look at the full video, I left a link in the description below. Please leave a comment to let me know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.